Andrew from Deity Microphones here. Today in the studio we've got Fernando Muga. He's going to talk to us all about 4 different types of wind protection.
The basic thing for interior wind protection is microphone foam. Pretty much just cuts a lot of the wind when you're moving the microphone.
So you're saying not to go full-on fur inside?
Exactly. You want to keep things light, you know, if you have to go through doorways, you have to move around, follow a lot of the action. It helps to keep a low footprint, a low profile.
Foam is the most acoustically transparent. It'll offer the least coloration of your audio source. Because most foam windscreens are black, boom operators will sometimes put a thin ring of bright gaff tape around the tip. This helps everyone see if the boom dips into frame during a shot. So let's move up to something a little bit more protection. Let's talk about outside wind protection.
For outside, we have a standard Ryko Softy. Pretty much the standard for years. We have the Dead Cat by Deity, and that's also good for outdoors. I would estimate these two are probably about 10 to 12 miles per hour wind.
A softy or dead cat will affect your high frequencies and cause minor roll-off. It is always good practice to comb the fur on a weekly basis to keep it from getting matted and dirty. Clumps in the fur can affect the amount your high frequencies are being reduced. When selecting wind protection for your microphone, use the layering method. Just like in winter, when you layer on clothes, you can do the same thing for wind protection. But let's say we have more than 10 to 12 miles per hour wind. What can we do?
Well, that's why I came up with this product. It's called the Windbreaker. It's a Polartec fleece that you slip over the either Dead Cat, or you can also slip it over the Softy. So it's good from like 12 to like 16 miles an hour wind. These are also, we treat it with Scotch Guard, so they're water repellent.
And that's like an alternative to a blimp that we all know about, right?
Right, exactly.
There are several tiers between foam and all the way up to a full-scale blimp. Remember, use only the amount of wind protection you actually need. Using too much wind protection will cause you to have to do extra work in post-production trying to clean up those high frequencies. So there you go. You have the Muga Windbreaker for if you've got heavy wind, if you've got light to medium wind, you've got the basics. And if you're inside, we have the foam. So there you go. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, hit the like button and hit subscribe and that little bell for notifications when we post new videos. Leave a comment below and tell us what we should be making our new videos about. The best comment is going to win a Deity shotgun microphone. I'm Andrew from Deity Microphones. Thank you for watching.
Take care.